Welcome back to Pension Info Australia, where we focus on clear, balanced, and reliable updates about pensions, Centrelink payments, senior entitlements, and the real-life issues facing older Australians. Before we begin, if you find these updates helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future explanations that can help you stay informed and confident about your payments. Today's topic is an important one, particularly for those who depend on Centrelink support to cover everyday living costs. Recently, there has been increased discussion around possible changes to how pension payments are delivered, specifically the idea of offering weekly payments instead of the traditional fortnightly system for some recipients. It's important to be clear from the start. This discussion is not about increasing pension amounts. The total payment across the year would remain the same. What's being talked about is how often the money is paid, which can make a real difference to budgeting, bill timing, and overall financial pressure. For many years, age pension and other Centrelink income support payments have usually been paid every 2 weeks. This system was introduced when living expenses were lower, housing was more affordable, and many retirees owned their homes outright. However, circumstances have changed significantly. Today, many older Australians face rising rents, higher electricity and gas bills, increased grocery prices, medical and pharmacy costs, insurance, transport expenses, and other regular outgoings. Most of these expenses are weekly, not fortnightly, which can make stretching a payment across 14 days increasingly difficult. Many pensioners report that funds start to run low before the next payment arrives. This can lead to delayed bill payments, cutting back on essentials, or using savings sooner than expected. As a result, the idea of more frequent payments has gained attention as a way to improve cash flow timing, even if the total amount received does not change. Under the approach being discussed, eligible recipients would still receive the same annual pension amount. The difference is that instead of receiving 26 larger payments each year, payments could be divided into 52 smaller weekly deposits. The goal is to help income arrive more regularly, making it easier to match money coming in with weekly expenses going out. It's also important to understand that this type of arrangement would not automatically apply to everyone. Payment frequency can depend on the type of Centrelink support someone receives, their individual circumstances, and existing payment settings. Some people may remain on fortnightly payments, while others may be offered a weekly option or need to request a change through Centrelink. Payment frequency discussions often involve age pension recipients, disability support pension recipients, carer payment recipients, and some other income support categories. Regardless of payment timing, eligibility rules, income tests, asset tests, and total entitlements remain exactly the same. The only difference is when the money arrives. In everyday terms, the impact can be significant. A single pensioner may have weekly costs such as rent, groceries, medications, transport, phone services, utilities, and unexpected essentials. Receiving income fortnightly can make managing these regular expenses challenging. More frequent payments can help some people track spending more easily and reduce the risk of running short before the next deposit. There are several potential benefits to weekly payments. These include smoother budgeting, steadier cash flow, fewer late payments, and reduced financial stress. Knowing that funds are arriving regularly can help many seniors feel more in control of their finances. That said, weekly payments may not be the best option for everyone. Some people prefer larger deposits to manage monthly or fortnightly bills, and others may need time to adjust automatic deductions or budgeting habits. Banking arrangements can also vary, although many pension-friendly accounts do not charge fees for regular deposits. This is why choice and flexibility are important. Another point worth clarifying is how supplements are handled. Ongoing supplements that are part of regular pension payments are generally paid alongside the base pension. One-off or annual supplements are usually paid separately, and their timing does not change based on payment frequency. Payment timing itself remains predictable. Whether payments are made weekly or fortnightly, Centrelink deposits typically arrive on the same weekday, helping recipients plan their expenses with more confidence. This broader discussion reflects the ongoing cost of living pressures facing older Australians. Fixed incomes often struggle to keep pace with rising expenses, and while payment frequency alone does not solve affordability challenges, it can make everyday money management feel more manageable. There are also a few common misunderstandings that need clearing up. Weekly payments do not increase pension rates. They do not change eligibility. They do not affect income or asset testing. And they do not require sharing personal information outside official Centrelink or MyGov channels. If you rely on Centrelink support, the best steps are straightforward. Check your payment schedule through MyGov, review your bank arrangements, and make sure any automatic payments still align with your income cycle. If you're unsure whether payment frequency options apply to you, Centrelink can provide accurate information based on your circumstances. It's also essential to stay alert to scams. Whenever there is public discussion about payments, scammers often take advantage by sending fake messages offering early access or bonus payments. Centrelink will never ask for passwords or banking details through unsolicited calls, texts, or emails. Always use official channels only. Beyond finances, payment stability plays a role in overall well-being. Ongoing financial stress can affect sleep, health, and independence. Even small improvements in predictability can help older Australians maintain routines, stay socially connected, and feel more secure in daily life. Families and communities also matter. Sharing clear, factual information with older relatives, friends, or neighbors can help prevent confusion and unnecessary worry. At Pension Info Australia, our goal is to explain developments clearly and responsibly, without fear, exaggeration, or false promises. Understanding how payment systems work puts you in a stronger position to manage both your finances and your peace of mind. If this video has been helpful, please like, subscribe to Pension Info Australia, and share it with someone who may benefit. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.